Alright everybody, we are here taking a peek at the Plantronics Backbeat Pro version 1. Now, this earpad installation is quite easy. When you get your accessory house earpads, it will come with a blue little stick like this. This is our earpad removal tool, and we're going to use this little edge here on that stick to remove these earpads. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you what it looks like underneath the hood, I guess you could say. So here we go. Alright, so here is underneath the actual earpad on the actual headphone frame. You can see there's these four little areas here. That little clip, another clip, another clip, another clip. So you have one directly at the top and opposite, one directly on the left or right side and opposite. So you know where to find these. What you want to do is you have your blue stick and you're trying to get underneath the earpad like so, and here, and clipping it up and off. You can see on the back of the earpad you have these little slots. That's where those clips are getting pushed into and clicking into place. So let's put this earpad back on and then we can start showing you how to take them off. Alright, so what we're going to look for is the side of the earpad. You can see the headphone frame here, this plastic bit there. You can see the earpad here, and then you can see this little gap in the middle. We're going to use the hook part of the little blue stick, and we're going to dig in and under and pop it off. So it looks kind of like this. In the side right there, push it in a bit, and then just pull up. What you want to do is move your way around, down the side, until that happens. Basically, you're trying to get this little area right here. You can see that piece of plastic, that clip right there. You're trying to get it right in that spot and then pulling up, and then it pops off. So, obviously, as we showed you earlier in the video, you have those clips directly here, 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 and here. And if you put the blue stick in there, roughly in those areas, you'll eventually get it. So just wiggle it around a bit, left or right, up, and then it pops off. Now, even though this is popped on that side, we can pull, it's pretty hard to pull it off. So what you want to do is, just to be safe, is go back around with the stick, and you're just gonna do the same thing as you did before. Where is that little? You can pull the earpad back a bit so that you can see what you're doing. There we go, got that one. And now on this side, I'm gonna pull that out. Oh, that one came off, and it came off. So I had to get two of them, and that popped off. We'll do it on the right one as well. So we're gonna go right at the bottom, right here. Oh, that one came off pretty good. Let's move our way around to the side. Got that one, and it came off. Done like dinner. Alright, now installing the earpads.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Monty gets way more biscuits that way. Well, he gets a lot of biscuits anyways. But it helps the channel out, so help a brother out.
Okay, now we're going to install the earpads, and obviously if you've taken them off and you don't know which side is which, you can look at the plastic frame of the headphone and you will see a little L right there telling us that's left, and you'll see a little R right here telling us that that is right. So we have our new earpads right here. Get the right one. I am looking at the frame here and these four little clips, 2, 3, and 4, and that is just going to line up nicely with our 4 slots on the back of this earpad. You want the R facing up as you would, and you're going to line up the top first, and you can just push that in. There you go. Other side. There it is. They should all click in. Sometimes maybe not as loud as some, but you should definitely hear a click, knowing, and that tells you that it is attached appropriately. Number 2, left ear pad. Just gonna line those up. Oops. Line up that there with this here, and that looks pretty good. That one's in, and right about. No, I think that one went in by itself. There we go. So that's on. Good to go. And we're all done. Stay in the loop with our news, reviews, and how-tos. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you're really keen, you might even be able to slide into Monty's DMs.